Good morning. We've just woken up. Kane and I have this beautiful 4-poster bed, but it is currently covered with all of our washing. So kind of takes away the appeal, but once we put all the washing away, it'll be beautiful again. But this is what we've just woken up to.
Good morning. I know Rain's already said good morning to you, but I'm saying good morning now. Beautiful, beautiful day. The blue sky is out. It's nice and warm. It's going to be a perfect day for a boat cruise. Rain's stretching.
Doing my balls.
She's doing the balls, apparently. Bring on a boat cruise. Ben and I raced down to grab some breakfast stuff for us this morning in about 25 minutes. It's like a record time with all those epic steps. And now we are just about to head down to the bus, probably in the next 15 minutes, wait for the transfer down to the cruise. And then we're gonna be on a boat. We're on a boat. So we've just checked into the boat cruise. And what were you saying? It's like we're in a movie.
I feel like we're in a movie, like it's unbelievable. So surreal, yeah.
And what they mean by that is, check this out. So I think we're going on like one of those boats down there, maybe.
Is that a boat?
We really are on a yacht this time.
Surely getting on the right boat.
They said Barto. We're on a boat! Swimming off the coast of Amalfi. Take 2.
Beautiful.
Woo!
Thank you.
Just come to like a standstill just off some private island there, and just chilling out. And Ben and I just jumped into the water. So I can now officially say that I've jumped into the ocean off the coast of Amalfi. Just got off our boat.
Amazing.
Awesome.
So good. Such a beautiful day.
And we are now on Capri Island to have lunch. Just lunch on Capri Island.
Oh, it's just how we roll.
Just so casual, you know.
Yeah, just a casual lunch on Capri Island. So we've just stopped for lunch at this nice little restaurant on Capri.
It's just gorgeous. Beautiful.
Awesome. And this is our view for lunch. Not a bad way. There's gorgeous old buildings just out at the back there. pretty empty restaurant, so hopefully we get our food pretty quickly. We got 3 hours to kill, but I reckon we could probably easily sit down here for 3 hours and just eat and drink.
Pretty much. This is my lunch and it's amazing. Seafood and fresh handmade pasta.
That looks pretty good. Ben's on his lamb rack over there.
Oh, sensational. So good.
I've gone for the traditional pizza. I'm just obsessed with the pizza over here. It's so good. But we had this prawn thing. It was delicious. Snap's got a prawn.
It's like
one
a
over there.
carpaccio prawn. It's delicious.
What do you reckon, ladies?
Tops.
It's running.
Swimming off the Amalfi Coast. See?
Away.
Yes, thank you.
Ocean is
Grazie.
Very good.
Just having some dinner, or we've just had some dinner rather. Just found a nice spot just where we got off the boat, and this is the view. Check that out.
fantastic.
So it is currently about 7:10, and we've just finished up eating, just finishing our drinks. We're going to get some supplies for the apartment, and then we're going to catch a taxi home.
Bellissimo.
Been a great day. Can't wait to edit this vlog up and then show you all the boat cruise. So amazing. So we're back at the apartment. We've finished our boat cruise. We've all showered and freshened up because we were like 4 salt shakers. We were that salty.
Yeah, the water here is really salty.
I looked paler than I actually am because I'm so white.
But we're getting down pat the Italian language.
You have to add up at the end of everything. A drunk.
And so we're drinking. Ben and I are on the gentlemen's.
Gentleman Jack.
Gentleman Jack.
Jack.
And the girls. And I'm currently editing and uploading previous vlogs from like 4 days ago or something, but
Today was awesome, like the best day ever.
It was the best day today. It's my favourite day so far.
It was pretty sweet.
it really was amazing. You'll see all the footage, but my God, it was like pinch yourself moment, mega time.
Yeah,
Swimming in that
ocean,
ocean
yeah.
was just like something out of a dream. It was amazing. It was, you can't even describe how amazing that was.
Yep.
It was incredible.
We swam in the Mediterranean.
In the Mediterranean.
And we just jumped off the boat.
Off in the boat. Into the sea.
So it's a good night for us. We're just gonna have a quiet one, have a few drinks, and we will see you tomorrow. What's the good news?
No alarms. No alarms.
We don't have a schedule tomorrow, so we are just getting up whenever our eyes open. But what we are planning on doing is having burger night tomorrow.
Burger night, Italia.
So we will see you tomorrow for burger night and more drinks and more shenanigans. Catch you then.
Ciao.
Ciao.